Welcome back. Sickle cell disease is a genetic blood disorder that affects millions of people around the world. Joining us now to talk more about some educational events coming up in Middle Tennessee is the founder of Breaking the Sickle Cell Cycle Foundation, Inc., Dr. Lemaitre Scott. Dr. Scott, good morning.
Good morning.
Always a pleasure to have you here. I know we've talked with you for several years now about your journey and how this has been a personal mission for you, but how does it feel to know that it's been almost 10 years since your personal experience created this organization?
Well, I can say with mixed emotions. What I initially started out as a little small, this is what I'm going to do to help raise awareness here in Nashville. It has grown significantly over the past 10 years, and I'm very happy for the growing pains that I have incurred along the way, because each and every day, each and every event, it spreads that awareness just that much more, and we're able to help people understand the significance of sickle cell disease, not only the impacts it has on the person themselves, but our community as a whole.
What do you think it is that has kept you motivated all these years when it's a long night and you have a lot on your plate and you're planning these events? What is it that is really driving you?
I have an 11-year-old son, and I understand first and foremost what it's like when your child is experiencing a pain episode and you've given all the meds that you can give, and the only thing you can do is just wait for that pain episode to resolve. That is what pushes me forward, because whatever I can do to help the next person either learn how to manage that process in a positive way, because you have to have the power of positive thinking during those times, or if we can do something to help other people learn their status before they have kids so they may not have to go down that path. That's what drives me. I want to show him that you can live life and you can have a happy life even with sickle cell disease.
You're giving me chills talking about this, because I can just imagine how much of an inspiration you are to him, and you're setting such an incredible example for him and so many other people. And you also have some events coming up, so let's talk about the 5K, because that's been annual every year. That's, is it the 7th of September?
It is.
Okay, so tell us where it's going to be and what it entails.
So September the 7th at Shelby Park at the Riverview Shelter, we will have our 4th annual Sickle Cell Warrior Walk Run 5K. So even if you don't want to run, we have walking options where you can walk a mile. If you don't want to walk or run, we have volunteer opportunities where you can come out and join us. The event registration begins at 7 a.m. The race starts at 8 a.m.
And you have a health fair as well.
Yes.
Tell me about that.
Yes, this year we have expanded out, and we've encourage some of our community partners to join us. And yes, this year we will actually offer a health fair that is providing free services to those who may not have insurance in our community. So we'll have a host of things from sports physicals. I know you spoke earlier about it's time for fall sports to start back. So we will have sports physical available for the kids, immunizations, dental screenings, blood pressure, blood glucose, blood pressure screenings will all be available. And social services, if you need help with connecting for insurance, housing assistance, utility assistance. We have a host of community health partners that are joining us this year to make these services available.
Lots of great resources. And really quickly, blood donation is big for y'all this year.
I partner with the Red Cross, and blood donations are significantly low, about 19,000 units down since the month of July. That's about 25%. And this is so important because people with sickle cell disease oftentimes rely on blood donations to get that sickle blood out and get new blood in. And a lot of people with sickle cell disease have increased risk for stroke. And those blood donations are necessary to prevent them from having a stroke. In addition to sickle cell patients, you have just the regular run-of-the-mill purposes for why we need blood: surgeries, births, car accidents, gunshot wounds. There are a number of reasons for why we need blood. And right now, that blood is just not available in the levels that it should be.
So at the event, y'all are going to help people sign up for donating. So we'll have more information on that on our website. Thank you so much. As always, it's always a pleasure, Dr. Scott. Folks will have all the details at WKRN.com.